Hi everyone, welcome to Cape Cotton's video number 20. Today I am going to show you part 6 of Bengal cotton sarees. Let us move to our video. The first one is honey with navy blue border. A small zari border in the lower and upper, both the sides. And pallu of the saree comes that's body. Small flower and a little big flower throughout the body. Navy blue and zari design. And the price of the saree is 1650 only. And the second one is rose and navy blue border. The border is totally zari border. Throughout the body, same flower design. That's pallu. Price of the saree 1650 only. Next one is biscuit color with brown border. No zari border in this saree. That's pallu. Price of the saree is 1600 only. Next one is brick red with green border. Throughout the body, a bigger and a small flower design. That's pallu. Price of the saree is 1650 only. Light cream and sky blue. And a small zari border following the sky blue border. Throughout the body, same flower design. A bigger one and a smaller one. That's pallu. Price of the saree is 1650 only. Cream and rose. That's pallu. And price of the saree is 1650 only. Pure white with sky blue. Body of the saree and that's pallu. Price of the saree is 1650 only. These six sarees are almost the same design and same price range. Last one is off-white or cream color with sky blue border. Same design. Colors are different and same price range. 1650. Let us move to our next range of sarees. Okay. Magenta color. Typical attractive Bengal cotton saree. Magenta with tissue, silver tissue zari. And that's pallu. And the price of the saree is 1350 only. White with cream with red. Throughout the body, same small flower design in vertical. And that's pallu. Very attractive pallu. And price of the saree is only 1200. Next one is very attractive cherry red with a green border. Small horizontal lines. Green and cherry. And that's pallu. Attractive pallu. And the price is only 1350. Next one is pure red with cream border, temple design, and inside a small green design is there. Mango motifs, flower design, small flower. That's pallu. And price is only 1600. Next one is cream orange and green design. Very attractive design. I like this design very much. And that's pallu. And price of the saree is 1400 only. Hi, very attractive design. These designs are very rare only. Very rare combination. Green, light aquamarine green and biscuit color. A maroon design is running throughout the body. That's pallu. And price is 1650 only. Very attractive design. The other color, another color of last saree. Cream and red. And that's pallu. And the price of the saree is only 1500. Next one is purple color with a yellow border. Temple design, and this is also very rare combination. Sky blue and purple. Price of the saree is 1600 only. Next one is maroon. That's pallu. Body of the saree is and price of the saree is only 1300. If you like my videos, please like, share and subscribe to my channel.